I personally made about 1 million naira, that's over $615 from Cartesian airdrop, and other members of my group also made a whole lot of money, and that's because they took action. Here is another important update I'm sharing with you guys right here. This is Bitradex right here, and I'm Baruna from Bitradex. So all you need to do with this particular project is to just go to the website. I'm going to drop the link either in the comment section or in the description, anywhere. Go to the website, install it has an extension right here. If you're using a mobile phone, use Mrs. browser or use Kiwi browser. Install it, and it's always going to mine whenever your data is on. You're going to earn every single time your data is on. It will keep mining. This is how much I've mined. Many persons have gotten more than this, so you hurry up right now. Remember, this is ending in. So remember to go to the tasks to actually perform all of the tasks that are there to earn more point. And also remember that this is a quick update and it's ending in 34 days time from the time I'm going to be posting this video right here. So take action right now. Let's make money together.